Hello everyone, as you can see we have another subscription box in front of us, but it is something completely different. It's Walt Wars, the ultimate Star Wars subscription box from a galaxy far, far away. I'll be honest with you, I saw this and I'm like, let's go ahead and try it out. I know absolutely nothing about what's going to be inside of this box, other than the fact that I received a significant discount on my first box. And I will leave details on that in the description down below. There we go. And while I'm doing this, if you have any questions about any of the items as I'm unboxing it, definitely ask down below. If you like the video as I'm going along, give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the box. So what we'll do first, take off that shrink wrap. So I do like the shrink wrap. I like the fact that the box is definitely very cool.
They're the most common species of fox, and there are 47 subspecies of red fox around the world.
All right, so Amazon was listening into my conversation. So we'll go ahead and leave it there. So now we know something about foxes. So, all right. Wow. Here we go. Got a wallet. We've got a child. Sounds like a glass. Oh. Looks like a mug and some other stuff as well. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and be right back. We'll go ahead and talk a little bit about what's in the box after I clean up here. All right, so looking at what we've got here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 different items in this box. We definitely have the Funko Pop here, so that's certainly very cool. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the back here. I know that I got one of these for my wife. I'm not sure which one I got her. I think it was this one, actually. Oops. So that's kind of cool, though. But we'll put him right up on top. You can kind of see him there. We did get a Bifold Wallet. I will definitely be taking a closer look at that in just a moment. We got some jelly beans. That's kind of cool with Chewy on it. Flavors are all vary from this galaxy, not necessarily from Star Wars. Put that in the back there. We do have a coffee mug. It is just a regular size coffee mug though, which is, there's nothing wrong with that. And we've got Darth Vader. So that's kind of cool. I don't know how often I'll use this one because it is just a regular size coffee mug. I usually have a much larger coffee mug. And then we have 2 postcards here. So we've got the Rancor pit here, and then we've got the skiff scene as well. And yep, Luke in a Rancor pit and battle aboard the skiff. So those are kind of cool. I mean, I wish they're either a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. That's an interesting size for these postcards, but those are certainly pretty cool. Go ahead and unwrap our Bifold Wallet. Interesting. I don't really use a wallet so often, that often these days. I use more of a money clip, but this is certainly kind of cool. It's got a little squish to it. And then, yeah, it's just a regular Bifold wallet. So that's that. Maybe I'll do a little bit of research to see exactly what everything here is worth, to see if the box is actually worth it. If you guys do subscribe to Walt Wars, tell me what you think about other boxes, because I don't really know that much about them. Basically, I was looking for a Star Wars subscription box. I thought it made sense. It made sense for the channel. It made sense for me. So that's why I went ahead and tried it out. Like I said, it was significant discount because it was my first one. Yeah, if you have had Walt Wars boxes in the past, definitely let me know if this was better or worse than any of the other boxes that you've gotten. Like I said, this isn't necessarily bad. I was just kind of, I think, expecting a little bit more than what I got. So that being said, I don't remember what I paid for it. So there we go. So with that, if you have any questions about this box, feel free to ask down below. There we go. The camera's a little bit different today. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any, if you like this type of material, basically anything that's Star Wars related, definitely subscribe to the channel. But we do other things on the channel as well. Basically anything that a professional geek might find interesting. So with that, have a great day.